Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. If you're searching for your next adventure, look no further. Today, I'm going to tell you why Togo should be your next travel destination. First off, let's talk about the diverse cultures. Togo may be small, but it's packed with culture and history. From the vibrant markets of Lome to traditional dances in the northern villages, there's always something fascinating to discover. Imagine sipping on a fresh coconut while watching a local dance troupe perform right before your eyes. Now, if you're a nature lover, you're in for a treat. Togo boasts breathtaking landscapes. Hike through the lush forests of Kelime or take a boat ride on Lake Togo. And let's not forget about the stunning waterfalls in the Akloa region. It's a paradise for hikers and photographers alike. For those of you who enjoy a bit of history and architecture, Togo has got you covered. Explore the colonial buildings in Lome, which tell tales of a bygone era. Don't miss the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kutamaku, where you can see the unique mud tower houses of the Batamariba people. It's like stepping back in time. And hey, let's not forget the beaches. Togo's coastline is absolutely stunning. Picture yourself relaxing on the sandy shores of Anejo, with the gentle waves lapping at your feet. Or try your hand at some water sports if you're feeling adventurous. The beaches here are perfect for both relaxation and excitement. What about the food? Togo offers a culinary adventure that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. From spicy grilled fish to delicious street food like akume and fufu, your palate will thank you. And don't forget to try the local palm wine. It's an experience in itself. Safety is always a concern when traveling, but Togo is known for its friendly locals and safe environment. As with any destination, just use common sense and you'll be good to go. There you have it, a blend of culture, nature, history, and relaxation. Togo is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. So grab your backpack, book that flight, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.